Who doesn't recognize this? Without noticing, you've pressed caps lock and your carefully crafted text is now case inverted. There are many reasons why your text is not in the desired case, and in this video we'll have a look at 5 ways to change the case of strings in Python. Letter case is the distinction between lowercase and uppercase. Python has built-in functions to change the case of strings. Let's take the string above and look at 5 ways to change its letter case. We have a variable text with the string. As you see, the string has 3 words, and the first word and the third word start with a lowercase, and the rest is all uppercase. Clearly this string is case inverted. When we print the text, we see the inverted text in the lower part of the screen. Let's start with making the complete string uppercase. I'll add another print command and I type text upper and I execute the code. As you see, the string is now completely uppercase. We can do the same thing for lowercase. The third line is now completely lowercase. Sentences usually start with a capital and the rest are small letters. We can do this in Python with capitalize, which makes the first character of the string uppercase and the rest lowercase. I execute the code. As you see, our sentence now starts with a capital and the rest are small letters. There is a similar command, which is called title. Watch what this does. Title is similar to capitalize, but it makes every word start with a capital. Let's get back to the example from the beginning. We have a sentence that is accidentally typed with the caps lock key on. This inverses the case of the string, and in Python this can be corrected by swap case. When we use swap case, we see that our original string that was inverted now looks correct. This gives you an insight what is possible if you need to correct the case of strings in Python.